Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This is Faraz Rabbani of the Seekers Hub Global Islamic Seminary, welcoming you to our launch of the Term 1 courses here at Seekers Hub. Alhamdulillah, this term we are launching the Step 1 Essential Certificate in 8 courses, which you can cover in 1 year at a convenient pace. You can cover the essentials of your religion in faith, in worship, in living Islam, and in practical spirituality, with qualified teachers, with mentorship, with live sessions, in a very convenient, accessible format through which you can have clarity in your religion and confidence in practicing the way of the Prophet ﷺ beautifully. We also have more advanced classes at the Step 2 and Step 3 levels of our STEPS curriculum. We also have learning Arabic classes. We have new courses that are the Arabiya classes taught by leading Arab scholars in the Arabic language. All of this is offered completely free of charge, accessible to you wherever you may be, so you can connect with reliable prophetic guidance in a beautiful manner. So check out these courses and begin on your path of learning. Come to seekershub.org and register now.